Hello my friends, I am bringing you the Wildly Pink Tiered Baby Doll by So In Love. This is made out of that amazing Bulgari fabric, which is so travel friendly. It's the kind of fabric that it's soft and slinky and stretchy and does not wrinkle. Like, you could put it in a ball, throw it in your suitcase, pull it out, and it looks pretty darn fresh. So that's one amazing feature about that Bulgari fabric. But so look at this. It's such a cute color. It has a black background with like a taupe and white and that fun pink, a big bright hot pink, happy pink leopard print on there. We have, it is a baby doll tiered. It's tiered twice. So right here at the bust line and then right again here. Again, super stretchy, fits very true to size. It has a V neckline, the long sleeves, and it is just fun. So fun and cozy. So ladies, if you have any questions, let me know. It's ready to go. Have a great one.